Welcome to this detailed guide on CEX.io, your one-stop platform for managing, trading, and staking cryptocurrencies. In this video, you'll discover the features and benefits that make CEX.io a standout choice for both beginner and experienced crypto users. First, we'll look at how to navigate the CEX.io homepage, providing an overview of the account setup process. Signing up is straightforward. Just click the Sign Up button and enter your email address. Choose a password and confirm your account by email. Remember to use the link in the description https://lnk.do/jquucoif to claim your sign-up bonus as a new user. Once logged in, the dashboard gives you access to trading options, wallet management, and staking services. The wallet section allows you to deposit, withdraw, and store various cryptocurrencies securely. CEX.io supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum USDT, and many altcoins, offering flexibility in managing your portfolio. You also find staking opportunities directly integrated, allowing you to earn passive income on your holdings. Next, we explore the trading interface, which is user-friendly and offers options for spot trading and margin trading. Advanced tools are available for experienced traders, including charting options, indicators, and customizable trading pairs. For those new to crypto, the Buy Crypto feature simplifies purchasing coins with fiat currencies like USD or Euro. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The mobile app is another highlight, ensuring that you can access your account and manage your funds on the go. Security features include two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and anti-fraud systems to keep your funds and data safe. The platform also complies with industry regulations, making it a reliable choice for crypto users worldwide. Don't forget to explore the educational resources available on the platform, which include guides, blogs, and market analysis to help you stay informed and maximize your crypto investments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth crypto tutorials and reviews.